Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between two leading eco-friendly tires, the Michelin e.Primacy and the Continental Eco Contact 6. These tires are designed to optimize the performance of electric vehicles, focusing on low rolling resistance and sustainability. Let's find out which one leads the pack. Focusing first on rolling resistance, a key factor for increasing electric vehicle range, the Michelin e.Primacy shows outstanding results. It achieves a rolling resistance coefficient of 5.64, which is 13% lower than Continental Eco Contact 6, offering a potential increase in vehicle range. In wet conditions, the Eco Contact 6 outperforms with superior braking and handling. It stops shorter by 2.1 meters than the e.Primacy and handles wet tracks faster, providing safer driving conditions in rainy weather. In aquaplaning performance, the Continental Eco Contact 6 also demonstrates better control. It resists aquaplaning more effectively, maintaining traction and stability at higher speeds compared to the Michelin e.Primacy, which struggles with a noticeable slip speed deficit. Switching to dry conditions, the competition tightens. The e.Primacy slightly leads in dry braking and handling, showcasing its capabilities on dry surfaces with minimal differences in performance. When it comes to noise and comfort, both tires score similarly, but the Continental Eco Contact 6 offers a quieter ride with better noise reduction ratings, enhancing driver comfort. To conclude, the Michelin e.Primacy and Continental Eco Contact 6 both offer compelling features for eco-friendly tires, with the e.Primacy excelling in rolling resistance and dry conditions, and the Eco Contact 6 leading in wet performance and noise reduction. Your choice may depend on your specific driving conditions and priorities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.